Hello guys, welcome back to another lovely trading video. In this one we're going to be doing some in-depth stock analysis on FRGT. Reason for this is it is today's leading gap of being up around 87% as we're recording this, which is 10 AM market time. So to get straight into it, we can see we're currently sitting around $2.75 with a recent high of $3.15. Now you can see we do actually already have our support lines lined out, which are going to be the third and fourth deviations, but we can clear these to make them a bit more clear. And we can see that we do have the fourth deviations down at 242 and 237, with the third deviations being at 220 and 217. Now these are going to be the two key levels to note, because we can see we're currently above these levels, so we're outside of the third and fourth deviations on both the 4 hour and the daily. So knowing this, we do expect the stock to kind of pull back into these support levels, being the 242 being that kind of first support level. And by this we mean if we are looking to trade the stock long, we could be expecting a bounce on to kind of come off of this level, or we could also be looking at it in a short bias view by saying that we're over these levels, we're expecting a pullback, kind of shorting into these levels. But really those are going to be the key levels that we're looking at, with also more levels going further down at around 199 to kind of that $2 psychological resistance, as well as it being our second deviation, and then another support at 196, with some more levels being around 175. Now this is going to kind of be our final level. Reason for that is we can see the gap fill is all the way down at 150. With the statistical means being around 155. That 175, if we were looking to trade it short, would kind of allow us to get out of this trade with most likely high success without taking on too much risk. And so that's really going to be the key things we're looking at on FRGT. Now just note this is technical only, so if you're looking at it more on a fundamental basis and you think it may go higher, so you don't want to be shorting, or you think it's going to go below off it moving, not on strong fundamental news, whatever that is, just know that this is standard deviation analysis, which is technical only. So I hope you do enjoy the video though. If you did, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. I hope to see you next one, and that's it. Peace.
And maybe I'm crazy,